Creating a clean and modern user interface doesn't have to be complicated. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to design a simple user interface in Penpot from start to finish. Whether you're designing a website, a mobile app, or you're just learning the basics, this guide will help you get started. Start by signing into Penpot and opening one of your projects. Create a new design file, then choose a blank canvas or add a frame that matches the screen size you're designing for, like a desktop page or a mobile screen. Before adding colors or images, create the basic structure of your design. Use rectangles and frames to build sections like the header, navigation bar, content area, and footer. This helps you organize everything before focusing on the details. Next, use the text tool to add headings, subheadings, buttons, and body text. Choose readable font sizes and keep your typography consistent throughout the design. A clear text hierarchy makes your interface much easier to understand. Now it's time to make your interface look more polished. Select your objects and apply background colors, text colors, borders, corner radius, and shadows where appropriate. So try to keep your color palette simple and consistent for a clean, professional appearance. Once your main elements are in place, use the alignment and spacing tools to keep everything evenly positioned. You can also group related objects or organize them into layers, making your design much easier to edit later. Take a final look at your interface and check for anything that needs improvement. Adjust spacing, font sizes, colors, or alignment if necessary. Even small refinements can make a big difference in the overall quality of your design, and that's it. You've learned the basics of designing a user interface in Penpot in 2026. As you continue practicing, you can explore advanced features like reusable components, auto layout, prototypes, and real-time collaboration. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more design guides, and thanks so much for watching.